So look at this flower. You can see an alternate white and black. So for creating this, how to create this in your Windows computer, that is the topic we discuss in this video. So you must open your Microsoft Word, and after that you can create this. So for creating this petal flower with alternating black and white, so you can see that total is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 alternatingly black and white. So for creating this, you must go to your Windows computer keyboard, and in this keyboard you can see that this is the number lock key. Suppose if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. Now you can see on the space bar left side there is an alt key. You must press and hold this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 10046. After typing 10046, you can release your finger from this alt key. Now you can see that we have created this symbol. For more videos you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.